what I just received from Fine Dine is the 6-pack of baby glass containers. And they hold 4 ounces each, and they also are airtight seal. How perfect is that? And very easy to open. You just open it up like this, and there it is. Now, this isn't just for baby food. You can also use this for spices, for condiments too. Say you're gonna have a party and a veggie dip, you can put some dip in here as well. How perfect. And also very easy to close, just like this. Now, what makes this airtight is because it has this seal. Do you see that? It has a teal blue seal, and it's also very easy to wash as well. Another nice feature, it can come from the freezer or the refrigerator and put it straight into the oven and then straight on the plate. How perfect is that? So let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, and it will hold up to 4 ounces and very easy to open as well. And this is what the seal looks like. Very nice, and it is made of glass, very heavy duty, and you just put it on and close it up just like that. And the best feature is it is leak proof. Wonderful. Love it. This is such a great set. Perfect for condiments, snacks, meal prep, and so much more. And another nice thing, it's dishwasher safe as well. What a plus. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.